Many people ask about outdoor TV mounts and they are afraid whether to place the outdoor TV mount outdoors when it's raining. Well, there are plenty of products out there in the market in Amazon, but can it last long outdoors? Well, I have the perfect solution for you guys. This is the Zebozap outdoor rated TV mount where you could strap the TV mount onto any type of pillar. It's a no drill TV mount. Is that even possible? It's a no drill TV mount because you have the straps for you to mount the TV onto any type of pillars. Well, you are just thinking about this portrait TV, but don't you worry because this TV mount is actually a full motion TV mount. There you go. You could even rotate your TV and place it either in a portrait mode or in a landscape mode. So besides that, you also have this swiveling function on this TV, and it is really easy to mount your TV onto the pillar with this TV mount. It can be easily unmounted also. So whenever there is a very harsh weather outdoors, you could just unmount your TV, take out this TV and place it indoors, and just place this TV mount outdoors because it is outdoor rated. Because of this outdoor rated coat of paint on the TV mount, you could leave this TV mount outdoors without any problems. Alright, so you could get this TV mount from our website www.zebozap.com or even from Amazon.